Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are well. I think the last clip you saw was the Little Burgundy event. Yeah, it was so much fun. That day was jam-packed. I thought I'd have a lot more time to film, but you know when you have like one thing right after the other, it was just hard to know what to do when. Anyway, so right now, I'm actually going to do like a mini makeup tutorial for you guys, kind of like a get ready with me. But yesterday I actually posted a Instagram story with this look and so many of you messaged me. Like, it's been a while since that many of you have wanted to see what makeup look I was doing, and I'm 99.9% sure that it's this guy. I think I finally found the color lipstick that I should have been wearing my whole life that just really complimented me. But this is one of the NARS, what are they called? This is one of the NARS lip covers. I always forget what they're called because they don't call them lipsticks or lip glosses, they're lip covers. And this one is in the color Under Arrest. Ooh, you might see Willow. She's right, you can barely see it. This little like black dot here, that's her little fluffy side. So she might come and make an appearance. Who knows? I hope she does. It's always so cute when she does. Starting off with my Good Hydrations primer. This is by Bare Minerals. It's not coming out. I'm getting to the bottom of this guy. If you guys watch my skincare video, I'll link it up here in the bubble. Or is it up here? I'm pretty sure it's up there. Yeah, you would have seen me use this. So I'm going to put this on. I always just put it directly on my face. Okay, so for foundation, I'm really excited about this part, clearly. I've been using my favorite combination. I'm gonna buzz through this because I gotta get on to the next thing. I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation because this is just the bloggers and vloggers dream right now. If you haven't tried it and you're in the market, try it out. And I'm also going to be using one drop of this Derma Blend Flawless Creator. This is a liquid pigment in my shade. Now this needs to be shaken up really well or it doesn't work so well. And then I'm going to be applying that with my Beauty Blender, which I'm pretty sure I put down here. Oh yeah, it's right there. Yeah, I really want my foundation to be super, super full coverage today because I'm filming. So I did 2 pumps of this, and now I'm going to be using this little dropper and putting 1 drop of this in the foundation. Oh, sometimes this dropper doesn't want to work. I think it's because the product is a little thick. There you go. That's about all you need. I don't even need that much, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just gonna mix this up with my Beauty Blender, which is not a beauty blender, but a dupe by Quo. I think it's a lot better. So I'm just going to be applying this, and you'll see, like, look how much coverage this has already. It's nuts. Okay, I am all blended out, and I got a bunch of foundation in my eyebrows today. I usually try and avoid that, especially with the pigments, because they like to get stuck in there. Everything on hand. Okay, I'm just gonna brush up my brows quickly, and then I'm going to be using my Benefit Ka-Brow. I think that's what it's called. Yep, the Ka-Brow. If any of you want me to do like some fashion videos, or maybe even an ASOS haul, would any of you be interested in like, especially those of you in Canada who've never ordered from ASOS before, and like what it's like ordering from ASOS when you live in Canada. It's always difficult when you do international shipping. I think that's pretty good. That is not bad at all. I need a new Ka-Brow, I think, or a new brush, either or. After I do my brows, I always do my eyes, and I'm just gonna make sure there's not too much foundation on my eyes because I'm using a NARS shadow stick and I don't want the colors to blend in with the eyeshadow very much. So I'm using this guy. I talked about this in my last vlog video, my last weekly vlog, and this I wasn't sure about because it's a silvery shade, but this is so light that I can totally get away with it. I haven't tried the other one yet, but this one is quite pretty. Like, look at that, it's so light. It reminds me of the 90s so much and I love it. I love everything the 90s now because of Buffy, and oh my goodness, I actually made dinner last night Buffy themed. It was really, really fun. Like, I made a Sunnydale salad, and I made like veggie dogs that I called vampire wieners with with garlic. Water. I made a little menu. It was really cute. I noticed that Willow in that show eats a lot of raisins, so I had a little bowl of raisins there. Oh yeah, and I also had steak through the tart, where I put these little wafers. I drew hearts on little tiny sugar tarts, and then I put a wafer through them so it looked like they were being staked, like the heart was being staked. Anyway, it was a lot of fun to it. So I'm just putting this silvery shade. This is what I did in the makeup that you guys all really liked. I think it was the eyes and the lips that were really, really nice, and that popped quite a bit. I even wore this sweater. And then I just took my Stila eyeshadow. Clearly there's nothing left. I need to get a new one of these. I was talking to one of my followers, I don't know, it's weird to call her a follower now, but I was talking to Martha, and she got me all like excited about going to Sephora because she told me some great products that she's using. So I think I might make a trip. So that's Stila Kitten across the eyes just to set it. Set it and forget it. What's that from? I feel like that's like a slow cooker ad. And now I'm taking my NARS Olympia palette. I'll be using a lot of NARS today. So I'm just taking this cream color here, and I'm just gonna blend out the top part of my shadow. Okay, so that's all with the eyes. Super simple. You just want to put like neutrally colors on the eyes just to give them a little something something. And then, oh, underneath the eyes, I did add a little more color. I remember that. Now I'm going to be taking my concealer, and I'm still trying out the Bare Minerals concealers, and for some reason I always put it back in this bag where I have lots of colors that aren't my shade. Here we go. This is in Fair Light Neutral. This is one I've been using lately, and I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes. I'm also gonna put this underneath my lips to line them a little bit, not only to conceal that area and to even out the color, but also to make my lipstick pop just a little bit more. Cool, so that's that. Yay! I'm excited to put up my video today. It's a very special video to me, and I was going to upload it yesterday, but the subscription box wasn't working on YouTube, and I didn't want to put out such a special video and not have a lot of you guys see it. So I'm gonna wait today. Everything seems to be okay in YouTube land today. No major difficulties, it seems. We'll see though, you never know with YouTube. And yeah, hopefully a lot of you guys see it and like it, but let me know what your thoughts are. That'll be cool. Now I'm just gonna do my contour. Again, the NARS Olympia palette. I'm gonna need to use a new contour soon because this one's almost out. So I'm just gonna line this down this way. I'm not gonna put too much. It's gonna be bold right now, but I'm gonna blend it out. And I'll blend that out more now in a minute. But I'm just gonna do the other side first. Woo, it always looks so scary when you first put it on. It's a difference. There. Much better. Okay, now I'm going to take, ooh, this is my new favorite blush. I love it. And this is called Free Soul. This is a new one by NARS. It's in their spring collection for this year. It is beautiful. You might have seen it in my little like blogger haul that I did last week, but oh, it's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. And I always keep the little plasticky things on my new products because, I don't know, keeps them nice and clean. You don't need to add much to your face because NARS is quite pigmented, but it blends well and it looks so pretty. Oh, this blush. I can't get enough of it. It's gorgeous. And in case you're interested in any of these products, I'll have them all linked below in case you want to learn more about them or look them up yourself or get them. All the links will be down below, so you don't have to go searching the World Wide Web. I couldn't find my highlighter drops for a second. I thought I lost them. But this is the Dermablend Glow Creator. This also needs to be shaken up quite a bit because it works a lot better that way. So I'm just going to put a couple drops of this, and I will show you how wonderful this blends out. It is awesome. I guess that's why it's called Dermablend. But it really does blend well, and so I'm just going to be putting a couple drops up here. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? And then I'll just blend it out, and it seeps into the skin so beautifully. And then I'm just gonna bring it up the side of my brow bone here and blend it across. Oh, I love it so much. Now the other side. Crazy part. I remember the first time I applied these, I kind of got nervous. I was like, oh, kind of went overboard, but then the next time I actually ended up adding more. It's nice to add it where the sun would like naturally hit off your face and create that glow. There you go. Ooh, I love it so much. I love it, I love it. I am going to add this Dior highlighter. This is one of my favorites of all time. I have quite a bit of it gone. This is in number 2. So I'm just going to put this. This is also in a pearly shade, so it matches it quite well. It's really neutral. I'm just gonna put this across the side. I like to do makeup that's quite easy. Like, I think all of you can do this at home. It takes a little bit of practice, of course, like when you're just starting out with makeup, but everything I do is super easy. So if you try out any of the looks, let me know, or send me a picture on Instagram, or just chat with me on Instagram. That's a lot of fun. I love it when you guys send me DMs. I love chatting with you there. So yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram so we can talk about makeup and lots of other things. I'm gonna put on a little bit of my Bite Beauty gloss just because my lips are so dry today. I don't know what's going on. Just a little bit, because I don't want them to change the texture of my lip product that I'm going to use next. And now I'm just going to add the They're Real primer and then follow it up with the classic They're Real. I need to get or search through my drawer for some mascara. If you guys want to see, I'd love to do like a makeup clear out with you guys, or to show you guys what I'm gonna put. I have like this drawer of products that I'm using, and then a drawer of products I have yet to try out. If you guys are curious about how I change things over, let me know, because I kind of swap between them sometimes, and then I also throw stuff out and I give stuff away, and yeah, I like to do that every couple months. I'm just putting mascara on the top today just because I'm going to be in front of some bright lights with my camera. I'm going to set up my lighting for my next video, and that makes my mascara melty sometimes. There, and that's my mascara. And now I desperately need to put something on my lips because they're looking quite pale because they have quite a bit of foundation on them. This is so pretty. Now I'm just going to fix this up in my mirror quickly because I'm going to do a little tiny bit of an overline. I'm just going to go over the outside of my lip line, my natural lip line, just a smidge, which I find gives a look of like more of a plumper lip. Again, kind of like a 90s liner trick. And that is my finished makeup look. So this is the one that you guys requested on Instagram, and I chatted with a lot of you about it. I hope you like it, and I hope that tutorial was mildly helpful. Again, all the products will be listed down below, but right now I'm gonna set up for my next video. The sun is getting a little lower. I think it's time for me to get a cup of tea before I start filming this one. Willow Dillo Potato Box, hello. How are you doing today? Do you like attention? You're so pretty. She says I'm a very good, very good company. Yes, she is. She's the sweetest pussycat in all the land. Yay, guys, it's all filmed. And I have a new backdrop. I love this. This is really cute. Lighting right now makes it look really pink outside. This is cool. This is really cool. Okay, so I just filmed my coming out 1 year later update. I actually didn't get my cup of tea before I filmed because I was feeling really good, and I'm trying to make it a habit lately that if I feel really good, to not have more caffeine, because there's no need to have more caffeine when you're feeling fine. So now I'm feeling a little more sleepy. Like I could totally have a tea right now. It is the next day, and as you just saw, we went to the market this morning. It was so nice. Usually we go in the summertime and haven't really gone this winter, and it was my first time going where they had it inside. It's usually outside. It was so lovely, and there's some people performing, and the kids loved it. I don't have kids, but like the kids at the market loved it. It was awesome. So I'm going to make some avocado toast on the bread that we picked up. And yeah, I'll just show you our little like market haul that consists of 2 things. So here's the bread that we picked up. It is huge. And then I'm probably gonna cook with these later. I might make some spring rolls for supper. We're gonna make some together. And I picked up some shiitake mushrooms. They had so many kinds of mushrooms there, and I decided to go with these ones, but they also had some cinnamon caps that looked delicious. And voila, avocado toast. So I just have avocado, some green onions, tomato, and a little bit of cheese on top. And this is gonna be lunch, and some olives. Hello everyone. I don't know if I like these little pieces yet, but it is the next day and I'm about to go out and get some pictures done for Instagram. Start off the week on a productive note. So yeah, it is Sunday today, and yeah, I just got work done all morning and it was quite boring, so I didn't film that, but we're gonna go out and enjoy some of the nice weather before the day ends and get a bunch of pictures done, and then not feeling so hot, so I think I might make myself a soup, and I think Babe wants a soup too. Yeah, it would be nice for today. We got our shot, yay! We're at the Widgewood Barn. This place is really awesome. If you're a blogger in Toronto, it's a great place to go. I like it a lot. But yeah, you'll have to keep an eye out on my Instagram for those. Let's walk home and make some soup for tonight. Maybe online shop, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. You know who inspired this? Gigi Hadid.
Huh.
Yeah, I saw her do a look where she was wearing like cool winged liner for an event or something. Okay, let's go. So we're home. I started the soup right away. I have the vegetable oil on the stove and I'm just about to put in my chopped up onions. Ha ha ha, don't forget to actually turn the burner on.